welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Haley Adams. No, I don't always wear a bathing suit, but if you like all things spooky and drinks and movies and cats that eat string, I suggest you hit the subscribe button down below. You can't eat it. You can't see it, but my cat is eating a string. We are back for yet another episode of Horror Hooch, a series where I make horror movie themed drinks. And if you're still really wondering why the heck I'm wearing a bathing suit, it's not because I desperately want subscribers. Unless that works. I don't pander to pervs. It's because we are doing a Creature from the Black Lagoon themed drink. And for whatever reason, everybody goes swimming in the Black Lagoon. Which, why would you go swim in a place called the Black Lagoon in the Amazon? Do you know what's in the Amazon? Piranhas for one, giant green anacondas, crocodiles, amoebas that go up your pee hole? Why would you swim there? Now that I've put the lovely image of pee holes in your mind, let's get into the drink. I'm doing this by making things fall. I'm doing it in a champagne flute. I really wanted a tiki glass. I don't own any tiki glasses. I don't even own the Elvira tiki glass because there's something wrong with that. But I'm using a champagne flute, and we are going to start by taking, there was liquid in that, half an ounce of key lime juice. You can use regular key lime juice. No, regular lime juice. I swear I haven't already been drinking, guys. I just had like 5. I'm fine. Use regular lime juice, but I have key lime juice and I want to use it because I can't make a key lime pie every week. That's not healthy. It's fun. Boy, is that a way to live, but I just can't do it. And I'm going to drop that in there straight up. I could just drink that, but I won't. So you're going to turn your ounce thingy around, and you're going to fill the other side, the full ounce, with Malibu, because we are being tropical as heck. And I'm also making a giant mess. I should have done this in a shaker. I'm realizing now it's hard to pour things into a champagne flute. This show is a learning process. I learn what to do and what not to do. You guys learn that I have no clue what I'm doing. World keeps on spinning. It's beautiful. Up next, we are going to fill it the rest of the way with Sprite. I'm glad that's sizzling. This Sprite is like 5 years old. Yay! Lovely. But we are not done. No. The last step, since this is Creature from the Black Lagoon and he is a lovely green man, we're adding green glitter because I bought edible glitter and I'm out of control with it, but you would be too if you had glitter. So we're going to sprinkle that. It doesn't sprinkle well. Tap, tap, tap. And then we're going to stir it in. Oh yeah. Oh no, it's fizzing. It's okay. Oh, I should have done this for the Reanimator drink. This is looking much more Reanimator green, but no, it's Creature green, and it's lovely. I'm very excited to taste this, but we're not done. This is a tropical drink. It needs a tropical little touch. Even the Amazon, that's not tropical. But the movie has such a tropical feel to it that it's like, okay, are we in the Bahamas? No, we're in South America. Oh no, my cat, he's puking. My cat's fine, everyone. He just really loves food. So he just shovels it in and then, but he's the cutest boy in all the land, so it's okay. As I was saying, we are adding a little bit of a tropical touch. I don't have umbrellas like normal people who make tropical drinks, so I made a little flower straw. And voila! Alright, let's try it. Oh. I really did something here. That is like a key lime pie in a glass. Okay, you do need key lime juice. I'm making that executive decision, or else it's not gonna taste like a key lime pie. Ooh, I'm gonna drink all of this on camera. I need a thumbnail photo, but I'm proud of myself. Yay. I truly feel like the creature has blessed me. I think this is the best drink I've ever made. And if you guys remember last week's drink, the Hello Sydney, it wasn't that great. Let's be honest. I've redeemed myself. I've redeemed myself. The rest of this video is just gonna be me drinking some ASMR. Just kidding. You want to talk about Creature from the Black Lagoon? I love it. It's one of my favorite Universal horror movies. Dracula is number one though. That's my boo thing. But is this my second favorite? I think it might be my second favorite. I just love it. I love the atmosphere. And the Gillman costume for being made, when was that made? Like the 40s? Very impressive. And if you guys have ever seen the creature without his little gill, that man was flying. Like, why were they hiding him in there? That is it for today's episode of Horror Hooch. I always want to say horror hounds. I think because that's like what I want to call my subscriber friends. You guys are my little horror hounds. But this is Horror Hooch. I like H's. My name's Haley. Alliteration. I think I drank too much. It's too fast. Let's wrap up here. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram. I highly suggest Instagram for the moment to find more spooky content at its_Haley Adams there. Go ahead and, if you didn't in the beginning when I told you, hit the subscribe button now. Give a gill man his gills by doing so. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Oh, but let me know. Do we like this setup still? Should I move in front of a blanker wall? A wall with simply one photograph? I am not a one photograph kind of person. Blank walls, they are my nemesis. But anyway, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. And in your dreams, good night. I'm going to drink the rest of this now. Okay, goodbye. This is my.